Welcome to the world where your authenticity is your greatest asset. Today, we're going to be diving into all of the essentials, and I'm not talking about things you need to buy, but most importantly, it's being your true self. So when we do jump into gear though, there's some right gear that I highly do recommend, and it's not a big fancy DSLR, it's not a big powerhouse unit and a full studio, but it's about using your authentic self. Next, there are a ton of different editing apps, and they all do different abilities, but my goal is to teach you about the simplest and easiest ones, give you some tips about everything else, and jump in beyond that. We're going to explore which one allows you to bring your truest self into creation, and we're going to explore a few of the favorites and make sure that making the editing isn't just easy, but genuinely fun. And here's where it gets real. The mindset. The desire to improve, create, and win is going to be fueled by your authenticity. Embrace your unique perspectives, and yes, you'll be bad at first. You're not going to be good. I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to suck, but that is the first step to absolutely anything in doing video, content, and most things in life. So get used to it. But in these moments of vulnerability, that authenticity is what shines the brightest. That's the one thing people tell me that they love about my videos. They feel it's just raw me, doing what I do, how I do it. It's not about me trying to copy Alex Hormozi or Will Smith or Denzel Washington. Yeah, they're great on camera because they're being themselves. Me, being myself, has been my greatest asset, and I'm going to help you understand that and kind of get over those hurdles of being scared, being embarrassed, being shy, because we all face these realistic aspects, but it's going to be super easy to overcome, and I'll be working with you for that. So that's the key thing I want you to remember. Of course, there's gadgets, apps, tricks, tips, but being your truest self is going to be the biggest difference, your biggest asset in this whole entire journey. So stay tuned for the next video where we'll delve into the understanding of who you are and how to jump into the storytelling realm. And it's not just about being a creator, it's about being an authentic creator, because that's going to set you apart from everyone else doing it, and you, who's going to be able to do it in 20 to 30 minutes and crush the content way better than they ever will. All right, talk soon.